remote plane. You can push the throttle and it drives forward. I already lost one of the propellers, so it comes with extra ones, so it's not a big deal. You can add lights if you want onto it with these new with these plugs. Chargeable battery, it comes with 2. It's hard to fly. It is windy outside, don't get me wrong, but it's hard to fly. And I have a huge field that I was trying to fly it in. I lost it in the trees. Luckily, we were able to get it out, but literally almost 0 steering. It's not like an airplane where it just keeps going like straight. It goes 500 feet high and it just drops. The controller, it's got the throttle and then the steering, but only these go up and down. So there's like no turning. Supposedly you can take photo light press 3 seconds. I don't know. I haven't used it too much because again I just lost the propeller on it. But if I had to give it a score out of 1 to 10, it's probably a 4 just because controllability. But it's definitely cool. I think it's worth the money. It's my first flying RC anything. Okay.
This is the RC C-17 transport aircraft, and I think they did a pretty good job on making this look like the real deal. Engines look really cool. Of course, those aren't the real engines. The 2 propellers in the back actually propel the plane. It does come with extra battery, kind of a small battery, and extra props and extra landing gear. And if you damage it, there's some glue included. Assembly is super easy. All I have to do is put the tailpiece on and the landing gear, and you are good to go. You don't have to open this little latch here. The battery's not connected when you get it, but there's a battery in there. You have to connect it, and then it's ready to fly. On the remote control, there's a button that says rates. I'm not sure what that means yet. And then there's a button that says lights, and there's really only one light on the plane, the beacon on the bottom. So I'm not sure if you could fly this at night that well and see that, but that's the only light on the plane. But anyway, it's a cool looking RC plane.
I'm gonna call Grant. Get it away from the school.